Hello, welcome to Timber and You. My name is Clint. My sister's birthday has been and gone, and I promised her I'd make her a bird table, so today I'm going to make her a bird table. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot for watching that build. In the end it was made from pallet wood completely, apart from the screws and the paint obviously, and the glue. But I think it turned out okay, and considering the pallet wood is free, it's basically a free bird table, in my mind anyway. And hopefully my sister enjoys it, and hopefully plenty of birds visit it in the near future. If you'd like to see a live stream of me, I shall be doing one on Wednesday night, this Wednesday coming. I know it's incredibly short notice, but I thought I'd try it out. And I'm going to put some details for it down in the description and also on my Facebook page. It will be late at night because I know a lot of my subscribers are from North America, so I will be doing it at probably around midnight in Britain. So I think on the east coast of America that'll be about 7 PM, and on the west coast it will be about 4 PM, 3 PM maybe. But that's roughly about the time, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making something probably for an hour or less, something very simple, just so I'm not talking into thin air in case only about one person or no one turns up. But that live stream will be available to watch after the fact, so you know, if you miss it live and you still want to see it, I'll have it available soon after it's finished broadcasting. So thanks a lot for that. If you enjoyed the video, then please like it and share it, and hopefully I'll catch you soon. Thanks a lot.